Dongguan Koto Mold Technology Company. Whole set of unscrew mold, thread gear cap mold core, cavity, inserts. We provide one-stop service for mold core, slider core, ejector core, insert core, angular ejector pin, core pins, ejector pin, cavity, slider, mold inserts, custom components. Those are widely used in plastic injection molds, die casting molds, stamping molds. Product detail material: H13, Stavax, S7, A2, S136, A2. Hardness: 4852 HRC, 5860 HRC. Heat treatment: available eclecist tolerance, plus 0.005 mm, plus 0.01 mm. Polish: RE0 to axillarity, 001 verticality, 001 Mauer products including plastic mold core pins and inserts, movable core components, etc. They are widely used in medical, cosmetics, automotive die casting, daily packaging, electronic appliances and automation and other industries.